Google dorking is like using special search terms to find hidden information online that regular searches might not show you. Google dorking can expose sensitive files, admin pages, and credentials that were accidentally index V, giving attackers entry points.
In this video, we'll run the most powerful Google dork commands live and show exactly what they expose. Meanwhile, like and comment.
So here's a quick rundown of some commonly used operators. So there's first in title, then we can use in URL, then we can just short down or list or filter down our search on the basis of our file type. Even if you want to search for the PDF or XLS or any sort of file type, we can just use this file type operator. Then there is a site. If you want to search for a specific site, then we use this. Then a related operator is used to get the similar results from the other domains as well. So let's see turn by turn that what benefit this of these operators give to us. Like just go for the in title one. So if you write in title and just you want to search for the admin pages of different websites, you can search for index of admin. So now you will get now you can see what you're getting. You're getting basically the admin pages of different websites. So let's click on one of the page. Now you can see. So these are, we will not go in very much details. You can just search it out. There might be some important information in any of the file, may it be the passwords, may it be the any other thing, which you can just just check it out. Then you can go with this in URL operator, and you can write login. So you want some login page. For example, if you don't write login, you write admin login. Now you will get the admin login pages of different websites. Now just click on one of the website and you can see you have this admin login page, which you don't usually get once you visit a website or once you normally search for the admin login page of a certain website. So just if you want to play with this website, you can just turn on the Wireshark and let the admin enter username and password, and you could just cache the username and password if it is on HTTP traffic. So there's many more. One we can just search for the file type. For example, we can write file type PDF, and we want any word. For example, the PDF file should contain the word confidential, but it should not contain the word integrity. So let's see. So now we are getting all the PDF files. You can see this PDF. We are getting all the PDF files having the word confidential included in that PDF, but not integrity. You can see I have minus the word integrity from it. So this is how basically you narrow down your searches and you play with the search results. So there's one more which we'll study in this video, that is related. How related is used. Related basically finds websites that are similar to the domain which we enter. For example, if you write related and then edu.pk is, for example, our domain, and we want to search various educational institutes in Pakistan focusing on cybersecurity, we can just type cybersecurity ahead of this. Now you can see what you'll get. Okay, I'm not a robot. So see, this Air University is Pakistani university, and it is giving us a related content of cybersecurity. So this is how basically you narrow down your search and you filter your search. Now moving forward, let's see how hackers basically play with this Google docking. For example, if you write in title index of etc password, for example. So now you know that etc password file basically contains the password, or you can say etc shadow file contains the passwords. Now we have shown with all the websites which are having and their etc password files are there. For example, if we click on this website, this is some college.org. You can see we have this parent directory here, and we have this file named with shadow, and we know that there are hashes, must be hashes there. You can see there's so many hashes in this principal. This might be the login credentials of the principal of that college, and we have these hashes. We can just crack these hashes using John the Ripper or anything like that. So we'll not go into the details of the searches what we are getting over here, but you can just have a fair idea that these files were not intentionally public by the system administrator or the developer or the owner of that website, but somehow by using the Google Docs we are getting all these results. We can also check for the unsecured cameras here. Advanced search operations can also expose private information such as real-time feeds from the security cameras. For example, in the doc we can write in URL in URL. Okay, just we can. Now you can see these are all the cameras which are unsecured. We can just check these cameras based on their location as well. So let's open any of the camera. This is some I guess Chinese or something like that. You can see this is real-time feed of this camera. There are so many others. You can just have a look on them. So you can do so many other things. For example, you can find HTTP login pages using the doc. You can write in URL, for example, in URL HTTP, and you don't want to include in URL HTTPS. So what you're basically doing, you are searching for the HTTP pages only, and you don't want HTTPS to be there because you want to have some login information maybe. So again, add in URL login. So let's see. Now you'll get the login pages of all the HTTP websites. Now this is a clear vulnerability, and you can just get into these websites very easily, and uh, this is the gold mine for the hackers.
Before you go, like and subscribe, drop a comment, whether it's feedback, your thoughts on Google Dorking, or just a hi, I read every single one.